too. Garlic to your liking, just the way great cooks do. Jókai, Jókai, hear that boiling sound. Beans and smoked meat, rocking all around. Sausage slices screaming like guitars on fire. Jókai Bean Soup, rock the flavor, takes you higher. Hey, hey, raise a spoon up high. Hey, hey, let the steam touch the sky. Jókai Bean Soup, rock. Everybody wants a bite. Hey. Cook the smoked meat slowly until tender through and through. Keep the cooking broth because that's what gives the flavor to you. Skim the gathered fat away, floating on the top. Then lightly brown the vegetables before they hit the pot. Start the beans inside the broth where all the flavors grow. Add the smoked sausage slices and let the goodness flow. When the beans begin to soften, it's time for